Namaskar and welcome back to our channel Learn and Let Others Learn. Today we are going to discuss about question tag, and that is part 2, second part of question tag. As I have already taught you the first part of question tag. If you wanna watch the first part, go through my YouTube channel, type Hariregni, then you will find my channel. And if you like, don't forget to share and subscribe as our motivation. Okay, let's go through the topics without any delay. Now today I am going to talk about the few rules of question tag. First of all, I am going to talk about rules of pronoun. Rules of pronoun means how we can use pronoun. So here are some words. Generally we use the pronoun for masculine gender he, feminine gender she, neutral gender it, and more than one we use they. And if more than one you are included within that, then use we. Now rest of others, how we use pronoun. So I have written some words, dear students, you can copy it in your exercise copy as well. So somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, people, some, nobody, no one, none, these, those. In such words we use pronoun as they. In that question we use pronoun as they. I will show you the example later on. First of all, let me show you this much only, and I have even underlined nobody, no one, none here, because these words are negative words, so tag must be in positive. Be careful about it. And let's talk about next rule: something, everything, anything, nothing, this, that. Then pronoun is used as it. Look at here, it as a pronoun. So all, in the case of all, if all comes with singular, use it. If all comes with plural, use they. Be careful about it. All has two rules: it as a pronoun, as they as pronoun. How you use it? Either it is singular or plural. Be careful about it. And there, in the case of there, pronoun is always there, remains the same. In the case of own also, pronoun remains the same. Here I have written some examples. Let me clear you what you have learned right now. Okay, look at here. Everybody is present. Of course, instead of everybody, you use they. As I have already told you, everybody, then pronoun is, instead of everybody we use they. So the pronoun is used they in the case of everybody, but here is, you can see is. So is not appropriate with they. We cannot use they is. So it is changed into are. So tag is, this is positive, so tag is negative. Aren't, instead of nobody, sorry, everybody, use they. Aren't they? This is the tag how we add. Now look at here. Nobody help me. Nobody help me. So nobody, this statement is negative. So tag is always positive. Instead of nobody we use they. And help B2, no auxiliary verb. So was part 1 of question tag, you will be clear about it. I have already discussed. Okay, B2, then use did. We do not write didn't because nobody is negative. If statement is negative, tag is positive. Did, nobody, they. So tag is did they, like this we can use it. So something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Isn't, instead of something, something. Look at here, something. Then we use it. So isn't it is the tag. Okay, now nothing can be done. Nothing can be done. Nothing is itself negative word. This is negative. So tag is positive. And instead of nothing we use it. So what might be the tag? Can, it. So this is my house. This is my house. is change into isn't. This change into it. Isn't it? So there are some people are changed into aren't. Aren't there remains same. No change in pronoun. Aren't there? So here are two examples of all. All are well. All is well. All are well and all is well. This is plural. So all change into they. All is well. This is singular. So it change into it. So tag might be aren't they. Look, all plural. So aren't they. All singular. So isn't it. Like this, we can use the rules of pronoun. So let's discuss about more rules about tag question. So I will go to discuss about these few negative words. There are few negative words in tag statement, tag question, and everywhere you find it out. These are negative words. So these words, if you find in statement, tag must be positive. Be careful about it. Words are no, not, never, seldom, hardly, rarely, barely, scarcely, nobody, no one, none, and neither. These words are negative words. When you see these words in the statement, then tag must be in positive form. Do not use negative form, because these words make the statement negative, so tag is always positive. I have written some two examples over here to clear you. For example, they hardly passed the exam. They hardly passed the exam means they failed the exam. So this is negative. Hardly make the statement negative, so tag is positive. Past, second form of the verb, so use did and subject is they. Did they? Like this you can use. Here, next example, I rarely go to school. I rarely. This word make the statement negative, so that tag is positive. Go B1, so use do, I, this is the tag. Okay, and next form is imperative form. Imperative form, we use tag as a will you. First of all, must understand what is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means the sentence which begins with verb 1. The sentence which does not have any subject. Such type of sentence are called imperative sentence. Even you can say the sentence which expresses command, order, request, advice, suggestion. Such type of sentences are called imperative sentence. And for your easiness, to understand easy, I have written my own rule to understand easily. How do you know the imperative sentence? Imperative sentence, we can know imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, there is no subject. It starts with verb 1. Don't, never, please, kindly, let us, and let's. This type of sentences are called imperative sentence. So, what is the tag of imperative sentence then? Will you is the tag of imperative sentence instead of one case, except one case. Okay, let me show you some example. I have already mentioned over here. No subject starts with verb 1. Stand up. You can see here, stand up. Stand is the verb 1. Here is no subject. Subject means what? I, we, you, they, he, she, it, Ram, Sita, Gita, you cannot find here. It starts directly with verb 1. So, such type of sentences are called imperative sentences. Have a cup of tea. Have is verb 1. No subject. So, tag is what? Will you. You can see here, don't, never. For example, don't laugh, never go there. Tag is will you. Don't mind, it is negative either or positive, it doesn't matter. Please, kindly, like here is example, please help me, kindly support me. Tag is will you. So let us, let me go, let us go. Tag is will you. No doubt. And only one case, be careful student, only one case, let's. In the case of let's play, let's go. Tag is shall we. In except one case, every cases we use tag as a will you, and remain of other parts we always use according to the rules I have provided you in the first part as well as in the second part as well. Now I have forgotten to show you two type of sentence. For example, Ram said that he is fine. Ram said that he is fine. In such case, how you can change the tag question? How you change? In such case, you find Ram said he is fine. Either you have to add isn't he or Ram said. This is V2. Didn't he? Which might be the answer? In such case, you might be confused. Don't be confused. In such case, first statement is used. In such case, Ram said. Said is V2. So answer is didn't he. You may see other example also. It seems that he is well. There also you can find two sentences. Don't be confused about it. You have to change according to the first statement. It seems. This is V5. So tag V5 is does